Check out NordVPN in the description below to stay safe online. Let's review Langflow, the visual low-code builder for large language model workflows, kind of like Flowise, but with its own spin. Langflow lets you build and test LangChain apps visually. You can drag nodes onto a canvas, like prompts, agents, tools, or memory modules, and wire them together. It's designed to make building with LLMs easier, even if you're not deep into Python. Setup is fast, if you know your way around Docker or Python environments. Once it's running, the UI is clean and responsive. It gives you a live preview of outputs, plus easy ways to switch models or modify prompts on the fly. And what makes Langflow stand out is how closely it mirrors how LangChain thinks. So if you're already using LangChain under the hood, this gives you a much clearer way to visualize the logic, test changes, and debug quickly. But it's not all smooth. Compared to tools like Flowise or Dust, Langflow still feels a bit raw. Some features are missing, occasional UI bugs pop up, and documentation could be more beginner-friendly. It's powerful, but assumes you already understand LLM pipelines. So who's it for? Langflow is great if you're prototyping AI agents or apps using LangChain and want a visual sandbox that doesn't get in your way. But if you want a polished no-code builder, or you're totally new to LLMs, there might be a learning curve. Overall, Langflow, sharp tool for AI devs, not for everyone, but powerful in the right hands.